Hey guys, I'm Chani and you're watching the Art of Science. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. And if not, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so every time we release a new video, you get a notification. Today's DIY is a Halloween special explosion box. Stay tuned till the end to see how I prank my coworker. For this DIY, we'll first need a snow spray. You will find it in any stationery store. Make sure it's a non-toxic one. Next, we'll need some craft sticks. Cut off the rounded edges of a craft stick and then cut two pieces measuring 6.5 centimeters each. Next, use a glue gun to glue them together. Please note that these measurements are with respect to the measurements of our snow can. Take another craft stick with one rounded edge cut off, align it with the other one as shown, and apply a piece of insulation tape to both sides. Roll the tape around the joint to strengthen it. These pieces of tape will prevent the craft sticks from slipping away. What we just need is a lever, with this smaller craft stick as the effort arm of the lever. Take the snow spray can, align the longer craft stick on the edge of the can in such a way that the shorter craft stick is at a right angle. Then shift the longer one slightly lower that the shorter one on top becomes inclined. Make sure you don't move it very low. Mark a line as shown and use a glue gun to stick the longer craft stick to the edge of the can. Take two more pieces measuring 6.5 centimeters and make sure they don't have rounded edges and glue them together. Glue this on the bottom of the spray can as shown. Make sure that it aligns with the lever on top. To make the stand, take three more craft sticks, one with rounded edges and the other two without. Use a glue gun to stick the two flat-edged sticks at a right angle. Once it's dry, take the rounded edged stick and arrange it as shown to make a triangle. Glue this one as well. Apply glue on the inclined craft stick of the triangle and stick this to the back side of the spray can. To make the stopper, take another stick and mark 3 centimeters starting from the rounded tip of the stick. Take a long nylon thread and tie it around this piece as shown. Use a glue gun to keep the thread in place. Make sure that this stopper is made from a stick with rounded edge so it can be easily removed when pulled. Place the stopper as shown. This stopper prevents the lever from touching the nozzle of the spray can. The next step is to take a strong rubber band and wrap it around the lever on top and the craft stick below. What this does is it creates the tension between the two. The only thing preventing the lever from pressing onto the nozzle is the stopper. Once the thread is pulled, the stopper snaps out and the rubber band causes the lever to press onto the nozzle, thus releasing the spray. The last step is to take an empty box and stick our DIY on the bottom of it. Make two slits on the lid as shown. Close the lid, pull the thread slowly, glue it to the lid and cut off the excess. Now, when someone opens the box, the thread will get pulled, thus releasing the stopper and the spray to start. And now it's time to prank my coworker. If you make this DIY and prank your friends, let us know in the comments below. Happy Halloween!